So this video is how to use Crestron Airmedia. Why would you do that? It's the second alternative for the bring your own device speech. It works extremely well if you have a PC laptop. It can run on anything that's a Mac, it can run on an Android phone. It doesn't work nearly as well with those items, but if you have a PC laptop, this is a great choice and allows you to wirelessly take over the main screen behind me. There are two basic steps that you're going to have to engage in. One occurs before when you have to download the app. It's not difficult. I'll show you how in a second. The second is when you actually come into class that day, we need to put up the Crestron screen and put in the appropriate code. I'll show you how to do that as well. So the product is available at either Google or Apple's App Store. So here I am at Google Play's App Store, and I will click in and just do a search for Crestron Airmedia. It'll come up fairly quickly, and that's the app. We're going to download it. Installed, and we are now set. Now, on the day of class, when you come in to present, you're going to have to push this button, Airmedia. So remember, PC would show us on the main screen what we're looking at here, but to get Airmedia, we will now get a new screen that will give us the codes we need to make our Airmedia process work. If you look at the top, you'll see where it has an address, and the number in this case is 143.105.152.117. If you type that number into your search bar, whether you're using Google's Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, etc., you will access Airmedia. You will then need to plug in a code. In this case, our code is 2835. That code will change for each individual speaker. So if it's your turn to speak, you'll plug the code into your machine, and your machine will take over the main screen. Next speaker will need a new code. They'll find that new code in the top right-hand corner. It's important that you come to class with your laptop prior to the day that you give your speech. Each class has a different address. Each screen on campus, there are multiple places on campus, in fact, that have Crestron Airmedia, and each one has a different address, and you have to log in for that specific screen. Once you do that and type in that number, hit return, you're going to be asked to install the client. And so since we're dealing with Windows, I will do my quick download here for Windows, and it's taking a moment to install the rest of the program. Now, this screen is where I'll actually put in the code. So we're still at 2835, return, and my desktop now controls the main screen. It really is a very simple process. Come to class prior to your speech day, download the app. The address will be specific to this screen, so if you log in for OC25, it will not change. If you log into OC26, it will be different, but it will not change. And then all you have to do is put in your relevant code. You own the system. It'll be very quick and efficient on your speech day.